Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer. I don't know why do I always say that. Um, anyway, you can see back behind me on the layout here. This isn't going to be an update; it's just a quickie. Um, you can see that I have all the cards in their appropriate slots down through here. Um, I'll turn the camera around in a minute and show you something down at the other end here. I have a slot for everything here. I don't know if it's going to work. It appears like it's going to work. I've got all the cards pulled off the layout for those of you who just had a heart attack because they were sitting out there. And so they're all in their appropriate pockets here. The pockets are appropriately marked. And let me pull this down for a second and show you a couple other things. Okay, what I forgot is that over in here, I've got the eastbound and westbound tracks. And as I told you, before, over here I've got the roundhouse. So I put this little box in that was already cut short, and I'll put the roundhouse cards there. Eastbound and westbound go in those two slots. So when you, pardon the tripod, but when you go around this way, your eastbound and westbound cards, which I haven't gotten those cards off of there yet, obviously, will go in those slots. I have a mess out here. But, like I say, I did get the layout cleaned off. And if I step back here, right here, you can see that I have my GP20s up there. The clamp that holds the train itself is the red clamp, and then it clamps to the layout when you're working. Once again, down here, same thing for my little passenger train that's out there. The red clamp is holding the cards. The black clamp is holding it to the layout. Haven't done anything else. I mentioned to you guys that I'm changing that building out there. There's no sense in going over that again. But I want to turn the camera around and mention something to you guys. Okay, so as I said, this is a little quick video. That's kind of what's going on the layout. But what I wanted to pass on to you is two things. Part of one thing and part of another thing. No, actually, the whole one thing, part of another thing. Anyways, I sold the Bronco. I did well on it after what I spent on it versus what I sold it for. The gentleman has paid me already, and we're waiting on a shipping company to come and pick it up and take it to Florida. So that's a good thing. I have something else I'm going to tell you guys. I'm in the near future here. We've been there again. I harp on it all the time, but we've been busier than heck, so I don't have a lot of free time to be out here messing with the layout or doing anything for that matter besides going, making trips to the grocery when we need to. I'm the one that goes, and Sam's and everything. And you know how that kind of holds you back now, waiting in line. You know, can only have so many people in, you know, the rigmarole. The good thing is gas is $1.47. But anyways, aside from that, the Bronco being gone, I have something that I'm going to give you a hint to, but we're not going to talk about the whole thing yet. I'm in the process of getting something else, and it is not train related, but I do not have it here yet. I have put some money down on it, but I do not have it here yet. So until I get it here, we won't talk about it. So I'm just going to tease your brain with what it is. And the hint I will give you, it has to do with a horse. Try and figure that one out. Anyway, that's just my little short video today explaining what we're doing and what's happening with me. Hope you all are doing well. Stay safe. Hope all your loved ones are doing well and safe. Just praying for all you guys. And as usual, thanks for watching this ugly mug.